Hey guys, it's Abby Springer.
And I'm Marley Jones.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin pie that's better than your grandma's.
With just a whole lot of love and a little bit of extra ingredients.
First, you're going to take some of your pumpkin sauce. Okay, you're just going to go ahead and pour that all in there.
Just a little bit of pumpkin sauce.
Whew, that smells good already. I'm ready for Thanksgiving.
This is going to be a good pumpkin pie.
I know. It's a little bit of sugar.
A little bit of sugar.
Okay.
And then
get us another one.
we're going to add some sweet tea because we're from the South.
Throw it all in there.
Okay.
It's good. Should we add some more? Just
Yeah,
give a little
just
extra.
a little more, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That should be really good.
We need to go get the blender. Well, here's a little bit of olive oil. We gotta add some of that, that's for sure. Okay, olive oil. How about we just,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
wait, well, okay. We're gonna just go ahead and keep that in there too.
Yeah. Turkey's just gonna give it a little bit of the Thanksgiving
Flair.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Looks so good.
A little healthy touch.
I think we should add some more, all right? Got us.
See, the chocolate's gonna give it that
Extra little.
sweet, like, you know.
Oh, and it has marshmallows in it too. For a good consistency.
It's gonna remind you of Halloween. Halloween candy. Halloween candy.
Some Halloween candy.
Because,
Okay, what kind of Halloween candy are we thinking?
you know, some Reese's.
Reese's? Okay, so Reese's. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do the Kit Kats. You're just gonna, well, that didn't work. You're just gonna, okay. And you're gonna break it up and,
That's what brings everything together, is the paper.
Got a little bit of
The most important part of this pie.
the pumpkin. Okay, sounds good.
Oh,
Well,
I love this.
you know what? The seeds kind of remind me of like hair whenever you get out of the shower. Like,
Oh.
yeah, just a way.
Right. The paper in it, that's, it's gonna make it good, trust me.
In there. Ooh, that looks
Oh my God.
so
I can't
good.
wait.
Perfect. Now you're just gonna slide this in there for about 4 days. All right, so Marley, you gonna help me do the honors?
Yep.
All right. This smells so good. Oh, there we go, guys. That's how you get your perfect pumpkin pie.
The grand finale, guys. The camera's off, right, Addison?
Yeah?
This is
Okay,
disgusting.
good. It's so bad.